New York Living. Now, I'd like to say that I take a little pride in being able to cook for my family when I have the chance. I didn't always say healthy, though, but I do strive for that as well. But if you're looking to lose weight, healthy eating just one of the steps in the process. So this morning, we brought together Donna Herberger from the WNY Weight Loss Center and Chef Darian Bryan from Brad's Hill, and they're going to cook up a tasty and healthy meal for us here. Great to have you both here.
Thank you.
Thanks, Donna, I mean, eating's certainly a big part of this. And part of, I know your program is you've got to cook a dinner, a meal for yourself here. And this is a recipe that from one of the cookbooks. It
is. We sell several different cookbooks for the weight loss phase, cookbooks for the maintenance phase. This looks complicated, but it's not, and Chef will tell us how he's going to do this, but it's super healthy. You've got protein and veggies, and not only looks great, it's going to taste great.
Yeah, I was going to add, I want to make sure you get that slice first, so we get, all right.
Watch them fingers, man.
That's right. What are we making here, Chef?
So we're making some spicy steak rolls. I got some beautiful veggies right here sauteed up. I got this beautiful strip loin, which I'm slicing this just to get it nice and thin. I'm gonna cook this up. I'm gonna cook it in the pan. I'm just gonna roll the veggies in it.
All right, there's also some sauces in there too. You see the vegetables over there. I was watching Chef here before we started. He didn't kill those vegetables, by the way. He made sure they were nice and firm. It was a nice technique that we watched here. Donna, while he's getting set to get that steak ready to rock and roll here, we love success stories here. Let's look at Jen from Ken.
Jen from Kenmore lost 42.6 pounds. She lost 44 1/4 inches, almost 24% of her body weight, and she got ideal and got a big smile. Look at that cross section. Lost it head to toe.
And an important part of your program too is getting the coaching to help encourage them, and also about, hey, different meal ideas also so important.
Right. Our program is very simple because we provide the food for breakfast, lunch, and snack. The question always is, what can I have for dinner? And this is just a perfect example of something you can make for yourself or for 2, 3, or 4 people, and anyone in your household can eat healthy.
Chef, how difficult is this to make?
Very, very simple. Like most of these veggies you can find anywhere, right? Steak, we got some soy sauce, some sesame oil, got the bell peppers, and zucchini. Simple ingredients.
Right, and it seems like it's pretty quick to cook. So while you're finishing up that, tell me about Brad's Hill.
So Brad's Hill is my Jamaican restaurant. So we have the daytime restaurant, it's a jerk hut. It's just our authentic Jamaican food. And in the nighttime, we got Brad's Hill by Chef Darian. It's like more of an upscale.
You mind if I smell this? It's so good.
Smell that? More of an upscale Jamaican dining, so it's a really good time.
All right. Donna, let's talk about getting on the program. How does somebody start with the program?
Well, anyone who wants to start, whether they're on medication or not, they do need a signed note from their doctor saying they're in overall good health and they can go on the program. Then they need to fill out a standard health profile that's on our website, and then we get them scheduled.
And it's not too late.
Oh, gosh, no. No, and Memorial Day will be here before we know it.
All right, let's finish this off here, Chef. So we've got our steak strips ready here. You got your veggies ready to go here.
Beautiful.
I can't
so
wait.
We're just gonna
Who doesn't love
put some veggies in there?
And you're gonna roll that right up.
We're just gonna roll it right up. And if you have some toothpick, it's the way to go too. And we're just gonna make a nice little steak roll.
Look at that. It's got great color to it. It's got your proteins, your vegetables. It's a fun meal to make too at home. Anybody can do this.
Right, and you don't have to have the carbs of a wrap. Let the protein be the wrap.
Yeah, that's more my kind of wrap. That'll put a wrap on this. Let's tell you about the WNY Weight Loss Center. It is your healthy, rapid weight loss center, and they can help you reach your weight loss goals. They have 3 locations in our area. Donna suggests you can register for an upcoming virtual in-person open house. To find out more about their weight loss program, head to the website idealu.com. And Brad's Hill by Chef Darian offers authentic Jamaican cuisine that everyone's sure to enjoy, and he'll make it healthy too. They're open for lunch every Monday through Friday, and they serve dinners Wednesday through Saturday. They're at 719 Seneca Street in Buffalo. They are part of Larkin Village, and you can find out more there at Chef Darian's website, bradshill.com. Now, coming up, I'm going to